I know a lot of people are running through this issue about reuse content. So if you're using somebody else's content, get their permission, or just try to make your own videos, put your voice over it, or do some kind of editing. But I noticed that there's a lot of channels out there that are reusing content and ain't being bothered with by YouTube. But I had that issue, but I did get remonetized here a couple of days ago. But I'm gonna show you what the issue was once I got remonetized. Any new videos that I upload would show would show advertising. But all of my older videos would not show any advertisement. Let me show you. And I'm gonna show you how to correct that. But I have like 800 and something videos that I would have to do this too, but I know it's another way I can get it done. But just say for instance this video right here, this RV, I click on it, and when I play it,
I think it's called Time.
You're gonna notice that there's no monetization on it.
2007.
Even if I copy
So I'm gonna walk you on the outside here on what it looks like, and we're gonna go in, we're gonna start it.
Pause it and go to a new incognito window, and I'm gonna paste it. You notice that there's no.
All right, I'm gonna do a quick video on how to operate and set up this Fleetwood. It's an excursion 39S
all through
2007.
So we're gonna exit that. I'm gonna show you how to fix this. What you want to do is go to your edit video and go to monetization. And what you want to do is turn this off and hit done. You want to save it, but you got to make sure it's completely saved. Once it's saved, you want to go back and turn it on and hit done and hit save. So what you're doing is turning it off and saving it, and then turning it back on and saving it. So now it's saved. I turn it on and off. So let me play it again.
I think it's
we're gonna
walk you on the outside here on what it looks like, and we're gonna go in, we're gonna start it, we're gonna lower it and set the
pause it, and I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna go to a new incognito window and paste it, and it should be an advertisement should show right in the beginning. You see this? That's it. That's how I fixed it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Before you leave, subscribe, hit the like, turn on the notifications, also share and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.